All right, we did writing equations where they gave you the slope and 1 point. Now we're going to do it where they give you 2 points. So that means you have to find the slope first and then use that slope and one of the points to find the equation. So just some reminders. Slope formula, this was one way that I showed you how to find slope. You can also still do what we've been doing where we draw between the top and the bottom. Either one is fine. Okay, and then point slope formula, remember that's this one, that this was the first way that I showed you how to write your equations. All right, as always, we have multiple ways to solve. You pick the one that makes the most sense to your brain, okay? And do the one that you're going to be able to do correctly. All right, so step one, we're going to find the slope, okay, using the method of your choice. Okay, so we have 7 minus -1 over -3 minus 1. All right, so that would be 8 over -4, which is going to simplify to -2. So that is my slope, or my m, in my equation. Okay, then from there, you're going to plug into either your point slope formula or your slope intercept form, whichever one you like better. I'm going to show you both on this one to find the equation. So you're going to just pick one ordered pair to use. It doesn't matter which one, okay? I just usually pick the first one, but it really doesn't matter. So if we do point slope form, it would be y minus y1, which is 7, is equal to m, which is -2, times x minus x1, which is -3, and minus -3 is the same thing as +3. All right, then just like we did last class, we're going to distribute. So I would have -2x minus 6, and then I'm going to add 7 to get y by itself, and that leaves me with y equals -2x plus 1, and that would be my equation. All right, the other option, just like we talked about in class, is to use slope intercept form. So I'll do this question with that. So let's first find our slope. All right, so I have -7 minus -4 over -6 minus 3. That is going to be -3 over -9, which simplifies to +1/3. So that's my slope. And then we can plug into y equals mx plus b and solve for b. So remember, this was the second option. I don't care which way you do it, okay? So if I do that, let's use the first order pair again. So y is -7 is equal to m is 1/3, x is -6 plus b. All right, so 1/3 times -6 is going to be -2. So to get b by itself, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So I now have -5 equals b. So my equation would be y equals 1/3 x minus 5. Okay, remember you can do it either way, point slope form or slope intercept form. I don't care, you'll get the same answer. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and pause here and try example 3, and then when you come back, I'll have the solution for you. All right, so there's your solution. Y equals -5 has x plus 4. Right here in the blue, I did it with the point slope form method, so method 1, and then over here, I did it with the slope intercept form method. So as you can see, we got the same answer either way, no matter which method we use.